Welcome back to These RCs. Today we're going to be unboxing the WL Toys F949, which is a Cessna 182. I got this one off of Amazon for about $50, although I was able to find it on eBay for a little bit cheaper. Alright, this is actually the first airplane for these RCs. And as you can see, we got the controller. What's nice is two spare batteries here, as well as a charger. So we have the plane body itself right here, the fuselage, as well as the wing that will fasten on by one screw. And you see the one screw right through there. And inside we can see the two servos, which will control the tail back here. And also in the box we have additional props and landing gears. The control here is the basic WL Toys radio, which requires 6 AA batteries, which I don't have offhand, but we will get those in there and get it fired up. Alright, that's it for now. We'll go ahead and get this Cessna put together, and then we'll take her out for a flight. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a like and subscribe if you liked it. If not, comment on anything you would like to. Thank you.